Hello there. So you don't know how you can simply go ahead and fix startup disk full on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do is press Command plus space to open your Spotlight search and simply go ahead and search for storage just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the storage settings and go ahead and open it. Once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to take you to this page right over here, which will show you how much of your disk is allocated by and also captured by what application your documents may be. There might be a lot of duplicates as well. You can simply go ahead and clear those through here by clicking on delete. There might be unsupported apps. There might be also file browsers right over here that you can simply go ahead and check whatever you don't want to have on your computer and get rid of. Besides that, you can also go ahead and always empty your trash. And that is about it. Was helpful to you? If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.